Hello friends, welcome to SportTube. Friends, today in this video we are talking about Facebook, and in the Facebook Messenger we have to see many features available. Today we are talking about one very important feature available in Facebook Messenger, and that name is Google Translator. If we are using Facebook Messenger, many times we have to see many other language messages we receive in our account, but we don't know which one this language and what we reply, because we don't know and not understand that language. So how is possible to give a right answer of that? So today in this video I want to show you how you can use that Google Translator and translate that message easily and reply that message with any language. Before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. So first we go to the Messenger, and in the Messenger we have some chats here, so we just click on this, and as you can see I have to send one message, hi, and I received the reply Kamustaka, but in this I don't know what is this language and what I reply. So for this, first we copy this message, press and hold and copy, and click on message and go to the arrow button and click on three dots. Here you can see have a translator. Click on this and go to the auto detector. Here you can see the third option is detect language. Just select it, and now we are going to select English from here, and now we paste this message here and automatically it will translate in English language. So as you can see the message is automatically translate, and the mean is how are you. And now we are going to reply this, and language also showing here, Tagalog language. So we just remove this and click on two arrows available here, and now we reply we are fine. Then this message automatically translate in Tagalog language and we send it. So this is the way how you can use Google Translator, and directly you can select any language, all world's language available here. Anyone you can use it, select it and translate all the messages in this. Hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.